As we come on the air tonight, the global coronavirus death toll now stands at more than 18,000.
As the United States battles nearly 54,000 cases, here in South Alabama, Mobile County has 6 cases, Baldwin has 4, and Washington stands at 1.
And as the number of people tested goes up, so will the number of people with the virus. Today, the Mobile County Health Department saying we may be going about the testing all wrong. With the panic that has followed this pandemic, it seems anyone with a cough or fever is trying to track down a coronavirus test swab. But Dr. Randy Murphy with the Mobile County Health Department says we may be testing the wrong people.
I think what is happening is that, previously last week they had opened up testing to allow pretty much anyone with a provider order to be tested, and turns out that only about 10 or 15% of the tests that are being conducted by the state laboratory are coming out positive.
No big deal, except those tests are currently like gold, not to mention all the PPE or personal protective equipment that is also used for every test. A lot of wasted ammunition in the war on COVID-19. So from this point on, to be tested by the Alabama Department of Public Health, the patient must meet the following criteria.
The patient is symptomatic with at minimum measured or subjective fever or cough or shortness of breath, and the patient is hospitalized, or the patient is immunocompromised or has comorbidities, or the patient is age 65 or older, or the patient is a healthcare worker, or the patient is associated with a long-term healthcare facility.
The governor socially distancing herself from the media today, holding a teleconference and making it perfectly clear she has no plans to order all Alabamians to shelter in place.
We are not California. We are not New York. We aren't even Louisiana. And we'll make that decision if and when it's best for our state. But as for now, we are not planning to issue that. My priority is to keep the Alabama economy going as much as possible while we take extraordinary measures to keep everyone healthy and safe.
Well, the governor also saying the safety and well-being of Alabamians is just as essential as a healthy and vital economy to our quality of life. As for state schools, she is working with the state superintendent and should know more about the future of the school year closer to April 6th.